Welcome to our series on trigonometry. Once you have great foundations, we can look into examination style questions. Here is another one, which is if cos of 17 degrees plus sine of 17 degrees divided by cos of 17 degrees minus sine of 17 degrees equals to tan x, then find the value of x. Now, this is for grade 11 and 12 students who understand the formulas for compound angles. So, let me just give you those formulae first. So tan A plus B is equal to tan A plus tan B over 1 minus tan A tan B. However, if we have tan A minus B, then the signs change. You get the idea. So that is how we can actually get a relation in tan. So that will help you to answer this particular question. And there's another strategy which I'll also discuss while proving this and then finding the value of x in the given case. I am Anil Kumar. Welcome to my YouTube channel. We have absolutely free more than 17,000 videos for you. These have been organized in playlist. Follow our playlist to master any topic of your interest. You can also send a request on globalmathinstitute@gmail.com for any particular topic of your interest. Now, let's continue with the solution of the problem, which is we are given sum of sine and cosine, a difference of cosine and sine, and we want to know how it relates to tan x. So, as I said, tan A plus B formula is given to you. How do we use it? So, let's copy the question first. We have cos of 17 degrees plus sine of 17 degrees over cos of 17 degrees minus sine of 17 degrees. We can see there is some relation, right? To get into the tan terms, what should we do? Well, we can divide by cosine, right? So, dividing by cosine, we get cos of 17 degrees divided by cos of 17 degrees. So, we are dividing each and every term by cosine. Makes sense, right? Easy connection when you see what you want to derive. Perfect. Now, this can be simplified as 1 plus tan of 17 degrees over 1 minus tan of 17 degrees. Still, we are not quite there. Now, how do we get that tan A plus B kind of a thing? Well, one more thing which I wanted to tell you is that what is tan of 45 degrees? Well, tan of 45 degrees is 1. So now we can replace 1 with tan of 45 degrees. You get the whole idea, right? Okay, so that's what we are going to do. So we began with the left hand side, right? So let's continue with the same. I'm just changing the ink now, which is equal to. So instead of 1, we are going to put tan 45 degrees, right? So we get the numerator, which is tan of 45 degrees plus tan of 17 degrees, correct? Now, in the denominator, if you check, we already have 1 here, so we should not change this one. And we need to get 45 there. As you can see, multiplying by 1 is also not making any difference. So we could rewrite this as 1 minus tan of 45 degrees times tan of 17 degrees, right? Since tan of 45 degrees is just 1, right? So 1 times anything is the same thing. It's an identity for multiplication. You get the whole idea. So that's the kind of trick involved in this. And now we are good to write this as tan of a plus b, which is 45 degrees plus 17 degrees, right? So if you add that up, you get what? You get the value of x, right? 5 and 7 is 12, and 4, 1, 5, and 1, 6, 62 degrees, right? So clearly, we get the value of x as equal to 62 degrees. Makes sense, right? Perfect. So that is a neat way of solving this particular question. So I hope you understand and appreciate. Feel free to write a comment, share your views. If you like and subscribe to my videos, that'd be great. Thanks for your valuable time and all the best.